Well, hello, it's me, MrSasaki, and today's a big day. Gossec Gavotte on the viola, the last song in Suzuki Viola Book 1, song number 19. Ooh, we've come a long way. Tutorial and playthrough. If you want the playthrough, use the chapters to below and skip ahead. Alright, first off, this song is going to feel like forever. It is long. It's the last song. It needs to be a big test, right? Boss level. Here is the form. A, B, C, C, D, D, A, B. Feels daunting, I know. Just learn each section and then stack them step by step. You'll be okay. A and B. What we have to know is staccato notes. So we want to stay in the middle of the bow. We want to have that squared elbow and we want to keep some weight into the bow. Push and pull on the bow. Here we go. Do you hear that? Ka, 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 ka. We want that set bite. Then we alternate with smooth quarter notes. Okay, so just alternate between that staccato and smooth and you'll be okay in section A and B. Section C and D, we have cantabile, which means singing. So, very different. Send that sound to the corners of the room. Now, I'm going to call it out. This is the worst part right here. Measure 20. 1, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. That seems okay. It's like the worst thing in the entire book. I'm going to show you here. What you need to do. Keep the first finger down. Did you see that? I lift my 2 as soon as 3 goes down. So 1, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, low 2, 1. Get that and your problems will be solved. Alright, next. We need to talk about the last line. So measure 29 and 30, we have some string crossings that go across, or slurs, across the G and the C. Again, one of those things, just be very conscious about it and minimum, don't flap your arms around. Just get to string as smooth as possible, slowly, and then you'll be okay. Now, the last thing is the pizzicatos at the end of the song. My favorite part. So we have 2 different ways of doing this. We have what I call the flying pizzicato. We stick my index finger out and pluck. Within this finger, my bow hold is intact. The other way to do it is the catch technique, so which most beginners seem to like better. I catch the bow with 3 fingers here, index finger and thumb lifting up here, thumb, index finger. Let's do that again. Catch, thumb, index finger. So I have a grounded pizzicato there. Do whichever works better for you. I feel like the flying one is easier for me because it's I just modify 1 finger and the bow hold stays the same. Okay, time for the playthrough. We have an allegretto marking, which means a little bit less lively than allegro. So, medium fast. Here we go. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so how'd you do? Let me know if you passed the book. If not, go back, practice. This is a beast. It's a long one, all right? I will see you in the next video. If you like this, please like, share, and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. I will see you in book number 2. Get that on order. Super excited. Let's go. Bye.